Hello, this is Peter. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about some ideas of best freelance work. 1. Writing. Content creation. Writing blog posts, articles, or website content for businesses and individuals. Requires good research and writing skills. Copywriting. Crafting persuasive and engaging content for advertisements, marketing materials, and product descriptions. Technical writing. Creating user manuals, documentation, or guides for technical products and services. Involves clear communication of complex concepts. 2. Graphic design. Logo design. Creating unique logos that represent a brand or company. Illustration. Designing custom graphics, illustrations, and infographics for various purposes. Marketing materials. Designing brochures, flyers, posters, and other promotional materials. 3. Web development. Website design. Creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites. Web development. Building and maintaining websites, web applications, and e-commerce platforms. Front-end versus back-end. Front-end developers focus on the user interface and design, while back-end developers work on server-side functionality. 4. Digital marketing. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimizing websites to rank higher in search engine results. Social media management. Creating and scheduling posts. Managing ads, and engaging with the audience on social platforms. Online advertising. Running and optimizing ad campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. 5. Programming. Software development. Building custom software solutions for businesses or individuals. Mobile app development. Creating mobile applications for iOS and Android platforms. Data analysis. Analyzing and interpreting data to provide insights for decision making. 6. Translation. Language proficiency. Fluency in multiple languages is essential. Document translation. Translating documents, websites, or content from one language to another. Interpretation. Providing real-time translation for meetings or events. 7. Consulting. Industry expertise. Sharing your knowledge and expertise in a particular field. Business consulting. Advising businesses on strategy, operations, or finance. Technology consulting. Providing guidance on technology solutions and implementation. 8. Virtual assistants. Administrative support. Handling tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Customer support. Providing online customer support services. Research assistance. Conducting research on various topics. 9. Freelance photography. Photography services. Offering photography for events, portraits, products, or stock photography. Photo editing. Editing and retouching photos to enhance their quality. 10. Video editing. Editing, cutting and arranging video footage, adding effects, and improving audio quality. Post-production. Enhancing video content for YouTube, social media, or professional use. Choose a freelance niche that matches your skills and interests, and consider building a portfolio to showcase your work to potential clients. Marketing yourself effectively is key to success in the freelance world. Thanks for watching.